What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post an image from your computer on LinkedIn. So once you're on your LinkedIn account guys, you want to go to at the top. You'll see where it gives you the option to make a post. Just simply click on the photo option there, and from here you can upload something from your PC. So I'm going to quickly find something here from the PC. Let's say I want to upload this car. Click and open here, and guess what, you just want to go ahead and click on next and so forth. Now you can type whatever you want. I'm going to simply type for example Lambo, and yeah, just go ahead and type whatever you want. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and make the post. If you want to add emoji, you can go ahead and you can add extra emoji there as you so desire. Keep in mind sometimes the emoji icon is a bit laggy, so you might have to click multiple times to see whatever you want. Just simply put whatever you want and click and post, and that's it. And that's how easy it is guys. Now if you want to schedule a post, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that as well. So you can simply add whatever image you want to. I'm going to go ahead and upload the same image, and let's say that's it. Click on next. You want to schedule whatever you want. At the lower right hand side, just beside the post button, you'll have the schedule icon. Just simply click on that and you can schedule it to whatever you want. So let's say I want to do it for today at another time, let's say 11 p.m. I can do that, and I can click on that next, and once the time is there, you will see at the top that it shows that there will be post in at that particular time. You can also edit it afterwards as well, and just simply go ahead and click and schedule, and that's it. Once you click on that, it's going to go ahead and schedule it to be posted at that time. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.